We see a lot of founders starting their hiring process with a title or a job spec because it feels like the logical and frankly easy place to begin. But often founders need to spend their time really understanding and defining the outcomes they hope this role will generate, not the title or job scope.
Exactly. And the market, especially the deep tech market, is moving faster than any org chart can. So founders often assume they need to fill a predefined role, when the better question is usually, what capability does the business actually need next? In product engineering, technical GTN, the most valuable people do not often fit neatly into a standard job description.
And that's where the best founders can create real strategic clarity. They're looking for someone who brings a complementary skill, a new capability, a different level of execution or experience, and then they are laser focused on finding that person that can generate that outcome rather than finding a person that fits a specific job title. I've learned that when you find the right person, you often discover that they had a different title or different background than was obvious on day one.
Yes, and in this market, many of the strongest innovators effectively write the role themselves once they arrive. That, they bring a combination of skills that the company didn't fully know how to define in advance. So if you hire too literally against a fixed brief, you can miss people who could have a much greater impact than the original role ever imagined.
So often the highest leverage opportunity isn't writing the perfect spec. It's getting really clear on where the company's going, what's missing today, and who could unlock that next level of growth or velocity for the business.
And that's why skills first hiring matters so much. You're not just buying experience or backfilling a gap. You're bringing in capability that changes what the business can do. And once you find that person, the process needs to reflect the kind of company you are. So it needs to be fast, clear, and decisive.
Exactly. Once you find the right hire, you're instantly selling them on you and your company. The recruiting process is your first opportunity to showcase your company's culture and way of thinking. Make sure it's a process that you really believe will attract the 5X candidate and that you would want to go through as a founder.
And that's the takeaway. The best founders don't just hire into roles, they hire for capability and then build the role around the value the right person can create.